आ गए आप लोग? Oh, we've opened our palace gate. I'm so sorry. Let me welcome you. I hate to be late.
Allow me to serve you my signature dish.
Well, I don't need to do anything special. I'm always serving.
कितना कितना कितना
एक मिनट सर, एक मिनट गाइस, द पैलेस डोर्स आर ओपन फॉर द आर्म्स प्लीज। मेरे हीरो वाले पर्स ना कहीं घूम गए, मैं देख रही हूँ, एक मिनट बस।
कीर्तना, यू लुक अमेजिंग, लेट्स गो प्लीज। हाँ,
We can't keep the guests waiting. Come.
Yeah.
Hey, मैम, हम भी तो रॉयल्स हैं ना। हाँ, हमारे क्यों दरबारीज नहीं है, एस्कॉर्ट्स नहीं है, दो लेकर आओ हमारे लिए।
कीर्तना, मैं तुम्हें एस्कॉर्ट करता हूँ, इज दैट ओके?
Oh God, thank you sir. Thank you
Let's
so
go,
much. Thank you. Thank you.
Pair of the Royals, Aame Khas, Kumari Sophia और राजकुमार अभिराज।
सोफिया शेखर, हमारे कई सारे मेहमान हैं आज, so I think it'd be nice if you behaved yourself.
Well, Aviraj, you should practice what you preach. I am behaving myself, am I not?
Anyway, हमारी नोक झोंक तो चलती रहेगी, but on behalf of the Morpurs and Royal B&B, I would like to welcome all of you to the Royal Palace.
और आज के दिन आप सब के लिए हमने पहली बार हमारे पैलेस के दरवाजे खोले हैं, सो दैट डेफिनेटली कॉल्स फॉर अ सेलिब्रेशन।
Definitely calls for a celebration. और जैसे आपने कहा, मैं कहूँगा ज़र्रा नवाज़ी का शुक्रिया, दरबार के दरवाजे खोलने के लिए, हमें यहाँ पर वेलकम करने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। आप सभी का स्वागत। और सबसे पहले तो रानी साहब कम्मा गई, ओके, स्वागत है आप सबका एंड जोरदार तालियां हो जाए फॉर द रॉयल्स। और क्या नजारा है, आमे खास and the royals on one table under one roof, एक साथ, ये नज़ारा तो दिल को छू गया है। एंड आप सभी खूबसूरत दिख रहे हैं, पर भूमि आपके लिए दो लाइनें कहना चाहूँगा। ऐ चांद मैंने भी एक चांद देखा है, ऐ चांद मैंने भी एक चांद देखा है, में तो दाग है, मैंने बेदाग देखा है। शुक्रिया शुक्रिया शुक्रिया। वेल, रॉयल्स और आमिर खास के होते हुए तो ऐसा होता ही है ना, अंदर का शायर जाग जाता है। बट आप सभी का फिर से एक बार स्वागत है और आप सभी का भी स्वागत है। आई होप आप सब तक हमारी शाही शरबत पहुंच रहा है। नैन, तुम्हारे नैन कहाँ हैं? तुम्हें देख के बहुत खुशी हुई। एंड मुझे जानना है, गुलाब किसे मिला? लकी यू। मैं कहूंगा कि गुलाब की खुशबू का एहसास, वेल, बिना कुछ कहे कह देते हैं काफी कुछ अल्फाज, है कि नहीं? यस, सो थैंक यू एंड यू आर द लकी वन। वो मोतियों का हार कितने? वो दे दो मुझे ठाकुर, अच्छा वाला। ऑलराइट, आई थिंक शाही शरबत सभी तक पहुंच गया। इसी के साथ एक खास लम्हे के लिए, जिसके लिए हम बेसब्री से इंतजार वो करते हैं शुरू। तो मेरी दरख्वास्त है आप सबसे कि प्लीज गेट दोस ग्लासेस इन योर हैंड, एंड उससे पहले लेट मी गेट टू दिस। May I have your attention, please, everybody? Request all of you to please raise that glass. और भूमि और ईशान, अगर आपकी इजाजत हो तो shall we raise a toast? To the Royals, cheers! And the moment we all been waiting for. एक झलक मोरपुर पैलेस की। Fab, right? So if you like it, if you think it's fab, then you need to make a louder royal cheer. How are you? And to each and everyone who's involved in creating this, I know a lot of people are backstage as well. We want to hear you guys as well. Make some noise. Spectacular trailer, just like this evening, filled with, comedy, romance, drama, and quite a lot of tea, as we say. It's a clash of two worlds, जिसमें एक है आम, अगर आप हो आम तो वो है तमाम. Well, Royals isn't your regular fairy tale. Hold your horses, sirs and ma'ams, because in the waters of royal chaos, you are about to sail. To see you, I request you please join us on the hot seat on the royal table. Yeah, that clap would be nice to welcome all of them, right? When you're walking in. कौन सोचता है, कौन बनाता है ऐसी कहानी जो कि है यूनिक, स्पाइसी, रोमांटिक और कलेश भरी? Well, जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए creator, showrunner and producers represented today by Rongita Pritesh Nandi for Ishita Pritesh Nandi and Pritesh Nandi Communications. Being chivalrous there, thank you for that. Next up, a writer is everything when it comes to Rajkumar and Am Kumari ki kahani, nahi? Now they are the ones that leave us with a cliffhanger at the end of every episode, leaving us wanting for more and more and more. Please welcome the writer of The Royals, Neha Veena Sharma. And now, last but not the least, with minds as sharp as a royal decree and creativity that commands a court of its own, welcome the queens of vision and voice. Please welcome directors Priyanka Ghosh and Nupur Asthana.
बड़ी मेहनत के बाद छोटे भाई को शिवली तो सिखा दी कम से कम. पैलेस चलाना सिखा पाया ना सही, लेकिन ये तो सीख गए. माइक बंद ही रख.
माइक 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 माइक. कभी कभी हम चीजें छोटी सी भी सीखते हैं. सीख लिया करो.
छोटे छोटे लोगों से छोटी छोटी चीजें.
भाई ये जुगलबंदी ऐसी होनी चाहिए, तो यहाँ पे जुगलबंदी शुरू हो गई. But whatever it is, I'm glad the chivalry is rubbed off not just here but also on Aame Khas, which is a good side, right? So welcome to all of you. Welcome to the writers, creators, producers, all of you rocking. Let's have a huge round of applause for the entire packed house, rather the packed table right here, the royal table, I would say. And के through मुझे से मार डाला वहाँ से. But yeah, okay. How are you doing? Good to see familiar faces. All right, I have a couple of questions before we open the floor for media Q&A. And hi, Bhumi. Yes. Now that's a little intimidating for me.
Yeah, I have that effect on people.
I'm not denying that for sure. And my first question is for Rongita.
Anticlimax. I was ready. I was like, yeah, sure. My first question is for Rongita.
देखो
but rightfully so.
मुझे रॉयल्स की साइड से ही शुरू करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर. So I'll have to go that way.
एक सेकंड, वो इन इस ब्यूटीफुल सीरीज की क्रिएटर
I know.
दोनों
पर
साइड
अभी
पे
इस तरफ बैठी है तो उस तरफ मुझे वहीं से शुरू करना पड़ेगा. With
clarify exactly.
So my first questions for you, and आप तो truly, जैसे कहा कि क्रिएटर तो महारानी सा है आज की. Yeah, the chaos is fantastic. This cast that tops, that is fantastic. Miss Creator, how do you think of this idea in a romance show, but in the midst of modern day royalty and with all these wonderful actors?
Oh, I got greedy. I got very greedy when it came to the actors, and it didn't hurt or help that I had Netflix who pushed my greed, not with deep pockets, as you would imagine, but just with wanting this fabulous cast as much as I wanted it. So the cast came together because it was a shared dream. But I've always been a girl obsessed with love, with romance. And when we had this opportunity to work together, Tanya looked at me and said, Rangita, fresh, young, vibey. And I said, romance. And she said, yes. And, but anybody who knows me knows that I don't think I'm boring, at least. But when it came down to it, you had to take the romance and shake it up. So you had this absolutely gorgeous Maharaja with a crown. And you assume he has the palace and the money. But comes into this picture this gorgeous entrepreneur, sharp as sharp can be. And she has the palace and its keys. So I think that's the beauty of this, that we flipped it. You've taken the money out of the hands of the royals, you've stuck it in the world of entrepreneurship, and you've created chaos with a dysfunctional family, with this fabulous Nawab that you see next to me, with the world of work potato. And that chaos just pushes the romance to an escalated, elevated level. So yes, that's where it all came from. And then Netflix allowed us to run and have fun.
Well, we can't wait for the chaos to Thank you so much. Queenon ki queen, Tanya Bami, pranam aapko. Can you tell us about the creative partnership with Pritish Nandi Communications and how did it come about and what excites you about working with them?
Actually, there's a story to tell here, a story before the story. A couple of New Year's Eves ago, I think it was 2 years ago, December, we had a meeting with Rongita and Ishita, and it was our last meeting for the year. And you know how last meetings are, for the year. You're really looking forward to going into your Christmas break and maybe take some much needed downtime. And then we had a 45-minute planned, which ran into many, many hours, because we started discussing how much we wanted to work together. They have such a unique tone in the kind of content they bring. I think this whole intersection of India with cool, a contemporary tone of voice, we definitely felt that that's a tone of voice that would really enhance our slate. And then the shared romance that we had even before we knew, which was about the genre, because आजकल पता नहीं क्यों लोग love stories नहीं सुना रहे. So we had to, really bring a love story onto the platform, and what better way to bring it out than in this royal way. And then, of course, I think the ambition grew. Soon after the new year, they came back with this idea which subverted the genre, like she rightly said. For me, the most beautiful part about the story is that it takes classic royalty and intersects it with modern day royalty, which is entrepreneurs, and then add a touch of humor with fading royalty, fading money, all of it fictional, of course, and really bring together this very interesting concept with very interesting cast. And then when you look at this star cast that they've put together, what is there not to love? It was literally, they had us at hello, let's say that.
Well, you know what? There's a reason why we call you Queeno Ki Queen. Because when you talk, we just want you to go on and on and on. And what a great storyteller. Thank you for, dishing out every time the best content. So thank you so much. And hello, Bhumi. No. Yes. For that, let me hold on. I'll just go a little like this. Yeah. Yeah. Better?
Better.
Yeah. Okay. And
Kirtana, is this position okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No, we can.
पर आप मैम से भी क्वेश्चन पूछोगे ना कि फिर से फिरकी लोगे आप?
फिर किस बिल्कुल नहीं लूंगा.
बिल्कुल.
She might just tackle you this time.
हाँ हाँ.
No,
मेरे पास आम पन्ना है.
सौगंध खा के. Mummy. Okay. All right, Bhumi, my question's for you. You are truly the smart and stylish boss lady in the show. Now, this is a very women-first show from creators, writers, and a legendary and talented cast. How does it feel to be a part of such a team of powerhouse women? Were you right here, and did that all push you to say yes for the role of Sophia?
Honestly, it was the script that pushed me to, that made me just jump on this idea. Like everybody on this table, I love. I am, the genre of rom-coms, romance is hands down my most favorite. Every time I go onto Netflix, I'm like, aaj kuch naya rom-com aaya hai, hum kya explore kar sakte hain? I remember it was 2023 November when Rongita and I got in touch. Tanya called me. She's like, there's this thing. I think you're gonna love it. Just read it. Mujhe dengue tha, main hospital mein thi. And she just told me it's a romance. मैंने बुखार में Royals पढ़ना शुरू किया because I was like, it's a romance. That's so rare. That doesn't happen. And I just couldn't stop. I remember telling my team then that, can I get another episode? एक और episode. कर के मैंने पूरी series पढ़ ली थी. And I have to say that it's by far been one of my most wholesome experiences. The time all of us spent together is something that till date we cherish. I've made some really close friends on this set. It is just a safety net that you fall back on. And I'm just very lucky that I got to play Sophia because there are so many shades in her. She's powerful, she is stubborn, but that's the most beautiful thing about her. She's just strong, and she's nurturing, and she's loving. And I feel like there's a lot of those little nuances and aspects that I've picked up from all these wonderful women that I shared space with while shooting. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, all of you.
Well, बुखार में shoot करना शुरू किया, definitely amped up the temperature, and you love love, we love you. Thank you.
Sachin, you're going crazy with your one-liners. I'm like, what is he going to come up with next? अब अविराज के लिए कुछ नहीं निकला ना, तुम देख लो. Hold on.
But just tell me, you love me.
We'll see.
No, come on.
We'll see.
I love you. Yeah. बाद में 9-8 later. Okay. मेरा अगला सवाल है ईशान के लिए. सवाल पूछे इससे पहले मैं सभी को बता दूं, यहां पे आज कोई 6 पैक एब्स की नुमाइश नहीं होने वाली है।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका सर।
वो पेशकश आपके लिए सिर्फ 9 तारीख को
हम निकल रहे हैं, बाय।
रॉयल।
हम जा रहे हैं, हम क्यों आए यहाँ?
But come on, he's definitely lit. Come on, give it up for Ishan Khatter and his super, if I could use this word, sexy abs. Yeah. Of course, undeniable.
But first the
Well, Ishan-
abs. With the highlight, there's 6 of them. Chiseled. Maybe 8 on a good day.
Okay, so few instructions I have to follow in the darbar, so I'm going to, so that I don't block any. Here we go. Yeah, perfect. Is it perfect? All right, Isha.
आप उठ के झुक भी सकते हैं
कहीं ना कहीं किसी से किस we're good. I got to know. We're good. So we're good. Yeah. Apologies अगर किसी को मेरी पीठ दिखाई दे रही है और मैं ईशान को ब्लॉक कर रहा हूँ, पर ईशान
आखिरकार सवाल पूछ ही लीजिए।
please. Wait, multitasking, no? So, you know, wish all royalty looked as regal, Ghode Pe Sawar, like you do, and we've seen you, you know, Ghode Pe Sawar playing polo, all very, very royal. Now, was there a particular inspiration you drew from to bring Aviraj Singh, the Maharaj of Morpur, to life, and how did you prepare to actually embody such a royal persona? Body.
Just reminding you, body.
Start talking about my body of work now. Well, first of all, very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आप सबका. How did I prepare, and was there an inspiration? I think the writers probably had references, inspirations, those which, if I take the names, perhaps we will be shut down, so maybe I shouldn't. But all jokes apart, I think being that it's sort of a modern satire on modern royals, I think the inspirations were young royals, and beyond that, what was most inspiring to me was the inner world of this character, because on the face of it, you know, this is a very bingeable, snackable, fun show, with all the fluff, with all the fun, with all the shimmer. But as you go deeper into it, you start seeing the inner world of these characters, and you start seeing the cracks, and there is meat on the bone. And as an actor, that was very exciting to me, is that you get to play both of these, you know, these aspects. Yeah, I think that's what was most inspiring to me. And then I had a very inspiring team. I was padded with a set of wonderful, wonderful first women, which seems to be a recurring theme in my career. I think more than 50% of my collaborators in leading roles, in you know, the roles of directors, cinematographers, have actually been women. So I'm kind of molded by women creators, and I think it made my job that much easier, because I had that gaze to fall back on, and because it's a romance, I was just like, tell me what you need to do, and I will have it delivered. So first of all, the inspirations were the creators. So big hat tip and salutes to all of you. The producers, the studio, the directors, lovely directors that we have, who walked with us hand in hand every step of the way. So yeah, that was pretty much it. And beyond that, what did I do to prepare and embody? Nothing. यार घुड़सवारी सीखी हमने. That was pretty exciting. We were told कि हाँ 2-2.5 महीने हैं, become a polo prodigy. which was a bit of a task, but happy to report that my brother and I, we did 2.5 months of training, but did all our stunts ourselves. So we're horse riders now, and we love it. And now I ride for passion. So that was one of the things. And baki show mein dekh lijiye.
Well, you aced it, and how? We just saw the trailer, the glimpse of it, and you were lit, wasn't he? Wasn't he? Yeah. And I like the word that you use. It's snackable content. Yeah. Thank you for that.
That's how they sold me. If I may add, I also had the good pleasure meeting with Rongita and Ishita and the Pritish Nandi PNC team in back, I think, September 2023. And they gave me these scripts, and there were 8 scripts. And they said, I said, कि मुझे हफ्ता भर दे दीजिए, and I'll try and get back to you, I'll read them. Because there were 8 scripts, I didn't know how long they were, whether they were 60 pages, 100 pages. So they said, take 10. And I read them in 1.5 days. So that's how bingeable this show really is.
Wow. For his hard work, for everybody's hard work, but you, hats off. And the 2.5 months of effort to both of you as well. Yeah. Rani sir, खम्मा घनी, फिर से एक बार. आप तो हर घर की शान रही है. Now you seem to have mastered the art of handling many large families. Now how was it to head this one? Cause this one seems definitely a lot.
Really? Am I supposed to look after the family here? I'm too busy looking after my diamonds and taking care of my jewels and my property and my palaces. So this time the focus is on myself. I'm looking after myself.
No, but you are, as always, so graceful. And even besides the trailer, the walk, we were bowled over. So thank you for
Thank
all this.
you.
Yeah, and yeah, Ishan, what were you saying?
I was saying.
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Okay. Chunky ji, my next question's for you. Royalty or shararat? Dono go hand in hand, just like your personality. What was it like bringing your signature humor into this royal world?
First of all, I'm true blue royal sitting on the wrong side of the bench. I should be there. I'm king of comedy. Self-proclaimed, by the way. I've given myself that title. In fact, in college, I was called Your Highness because I was always high. I'm joking. But, coming to the lighter side of it, what did I bring to this was the first time I met a royal, I didn't know whether to shake his hand, do namaste or touch his feet. And I thought Hukum was his first name because everyone kept calling him Hukum. So I asked him, Hukum, what's your surname? I didn't know Hukum means Maharaj or, like the boss. So I had these little fumbling problems when I met royals for the first time. So I got that into this show, I think. I tried to do a little bit of overacting, but then this beautiful woman team actually controlled me and said, relax. You're not in Houseful, you're in Royals. So I was like, really, they had a little, they had a leash and I was being controlled, but I really enjoyed it. I had a great time. And I hope I come in the part 2 also of it. Thank you. And yes, I was a last moment addition. So while these boys learned polo in 2 months, they only gave me 2 days to learn polo. And I played with them. But that was a lot of fun. Thank you. Yeah.
Welcome you and thank you for always being high on life. My next question is for Priyanka Ghosh. Hi, Priyanka.
Hello.
Aapka direction to kamal hai. What was your approach to directing a cast with such different energies that we are witnessing here as well? From industry legends to some of the most talented young actors in the industry right now.
Okay, I'll tell you a secret. They're all children. And they just want to have fun. They just want to play. And I think I just played along with them. And my job was to just keep nudging them and teach them how to have more fun. So that's what we did through this entire show. So we just have fun, right, guys? Come on, yeah. You heard about the polo and all of that.
Yeah. And we can feel the fun here, right here when we saw the trailer as well. And can't wait for the 9th of May. So thank you so much.
Fingers crossed. Thank you.
Nupur, my next question is for you. Here we go. Hi, Nupur. Well, आपके frames में एक अलग ही charm होता है. Even from the little glimpse we saw in the trailer, the show already has so much personality in every scene. How did you work with this cast to bring out the quirks and chemistry?
Well, as Priyanka said, we had a lot of fun together, but I think we also did some rehearsals, workshops, and we tried to get to the truth of every character and to find an honest bone in that character and to pull that out. So even when you're having fun, there's always some other subtext. And when you get to the soul of the character, when the emotion comes in, so then it's all very seamless. And you see the layers in every character then. You can be fun on the outside, but what else are you going through inside? So we explored all of that, and that was great fun. And the show has very quirky relationships and quirky characters. And actually, the characters are quirky and the relationships are really fresh. and very, I know ये हटके word बहुत overuse हो चुका है, but the relationships are very, very interesting to watch in the show, and I think that we've managed to pull them out really, really well. At least I hope so.
In this couple of minutes, we actually are hooked onto it, so can't wait to binge watch it. So, Vihan, my next question's for you. Now, you look like you'd break a few royal rules, but we saw you trying to rein in chaos, which is your true personality. True to your personality, isn't it?
That I'm a chaotic person?
No, just bring in the chaos, bring in the madness, bring in the kalesh.
I enjoy that. So I've played things before that are a bit more chill. I think this time I really wanted to go into something that was a bit more meaty, a bit more chaotic. I mean, you've seen stuff where I'm yelling and screaming, and you've seen stuff where I'm beating a chicken to the ground. A killed chicken, not a real chicken, like a live chicken. So I enjoy that. I do enjoy that. And I enjoyed playing polo. My horse, Charlie, was my best friend for 2.5. Yeah. Yeah, for my 2.5 months of sessions. I saw him more than I saw my own family. I think, honestly, okay, all jokes apart, I think this show has given everyone the opportunity to go deep. And that is the best thing you can expect for an actor, to be very honest with you. I mean, it's not like, kal shoot hai, aa jao, 6 baje. You know, it's just like, hey, we want to do this in 3 months' time. So yes, I think I have a little bit of chaos. I don't think I'm a very chaotic person, but the role can be quite chaotic, and I really like it. Yeah.
Yeah, and you definitely, your efforts have been paid off. And give our love to Charlie, please.
Thank you. He'll appreciate it.
Kavya, my next question is for you. आपके अंदाज में एक शाही elegance है, right? So let me start by asking you, who's your favorite brother from the show? And okay, but don't answer that.
Oh.
Don't answer that. Wait.
Bro. This is super. Kavya, just take my name.
Okay.
Kavya, just take one of our
Brother
names.
has gotten me lots of bags, lots of shoes, lots of good older brother friends who's given me extra arm.
But I give you a tap on the shoulder.
I know. So the question is, who's my favorite brother?
No, the question is instead, now you already answered it. We have to wait and watch in the Royals who's your favorite brother to actually figure out. But my question is, how was the experience of diving into something so visually rich and character driven?
Honestly speaking, I was very, very excited when I first got to know about the makers, the cast, and eventually I just wanted to be completely open, to be moldable, to be directed. And my favorite takeaway was the fact that I come from a household of only women. That's mom, sister, cats, even they're women, dogs, even they're women. So I found myself a pair of brothers. So I'm very excited about the fact that it's a big takeaway for family. And the most exciting part that I will take back home is just the arcs and the complexities and the fact that you can see yourself in each and every character. And at some point, you'll just forget that you're watching something, but it's a story about yourself. And I really like that. That was my most exciting part. Like, I want to watch this show. I want to binge this show. I want to root for the women in this show. I want to see myself as a boss woman in this show. And I want you guys to just really lap it up and enjoy it and binge watch it and tell your grandparents and your little younger siblings to watch it too. So
a big shout out to the girl power there.
Root for us also, yaar. Root for ऐसा मत करो यार. Exclude मत करो यार. Root for us also. Yaar.
and love everyone who's in this show. I mean, guys, look at us.
We do already love. Thank you. And another true definition of hot. Do you know my questions for you? You've done intense roles recently. Was it fun to loosen up in this playful space of romance and palace politics?
Hi.
Hi,
Can you repeat the question?
I will repeat. You've done, intense roles recently. And was it fun to loosen up with this playful space of romance and palace politics?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. When Rongita brought me this show, I was like, what are you giving me now? And hey, Bhumi, How you doing? This is exactly what I do in the show. I'm Salahuddin, the Nawab of Alsipur, and he's a flirt. And he's chivalrous and charming. And he's crazy and he's whacked out. And there's a lot more of him in season 2. Hey Tanya, how you doing? But yeah, it was a fun ride. It was fantastic. I had a great time shooting it, especially Salahuddin. Can I tell them the short for Salahuddin? I'm Nawab Salahuddin, but you can call me Salad. Wait, if you like the dressing. You can call me Salad if you like the dressing. I hope you got it. You did. Okay. So yeah, I had a laugh on the set, and most importantly, all these beautiful people, everything everyone has said about them is absolutely true. There's no lies. Except for, there's no lies. It was really good. So I had a great time, and I want to thank you all for giving me this opportunity.
And everybody right now is just echoing this sentiment that the salad is quite sumptuous.
The salad is yummy. Let's say that. You want some salad? You're on a diet now, Bhumi.
Okay.
I'm feeling so many things right now I can't explain.
This interview now is just Dino and everyone. That's it.
What is this new feeling I'm feeling?
Sumukhi, यहाँ हूँ मैं.
Yes.
कैसे भूल गई?
Sachin, what's up?
What's up?
How's it going?
Pretty good.
Sachin, let me ask you a question.
No. You ain't turning the tables, please.
Damn it.
Okay, my question to you. आपकी timing और तड़का दोनों लाजवाब है. We love you, love you, love you for that. How much of your character was Kirtana and how much of it was you? Because it seems a lot like Sumukhi through and through.
It's a personal question. Yeah, it's a personal question. How much of it is personal? Yeah, the thing. Okay, I don't know how to directly answer that question. It is funny like me, hopefully. But क्या है कि my character was also thanks to really Rongita, Nupur and Priyanka and the writers, they really allowed me to improv. तो मैं अपना ही कर रही थी. Literally, I was not in the frame. मुझ में mic था भी नहीं, and I was just in the frame. At one point, I've done this to Bhumi's hair. क्योंकि मुझे काम नहीं था frame में. I said मुझे डाल दो please. So really, yeah. So that part of me is definitely me. But I genuinely had a blast because which comedian gets the biggest opportunity to do whatever they want and have that freedom कि तू next take पे कुछ और कर ले. You know, so this was my mehboob moment. So I really appreciate it. So thank you. Yeah.
Sumukhi, अब कुछ भी कर लो. You make us, mad completely. So thank you for always entertaining us.
Thank you, Sachin. I'll think about it.
Can I just say that after a certain point, because everyone loved what Sumukhi was doing on set so much, they sent the sides with Kirtana's lines not there, and they just said, Sumukhi ko jo bhi karna hai, karne do. So she didn't have lines beyond a point. They were like, kya hi hai? Unko karne do. It was that good. So.
Imagine how cool is the writer to allow something like that. So really, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
She's only hearing about it now.
Sorry, Neha, sorry.
It's a perfect combination. The writer and you go hand in hand. Wish you the best. Next up for Lisa. Hello, Lisa.
Hello. Ooh. I've been around a mic.
And you sound so cool. I wanted to change it. Yeah, she does. Well, आप हर रूप में छा जाती है. You've made such a mark with your music and your acting roles. Did anything surprise you about the character of Nikki?
Yeah. Oh, that's my face.
Oh, yeah.
In HD.
Spotlight.
I know. I think what was surprising was the intensity of the job. It's more so than the character, the type of acting we had to do, the hours, the effort, the thought that went into everything. I get to play, once you'll see the show, a really beautiful and delicate arc. And delivering that opposite my romantic interest was just incredible. So getting in that mood and mind frame every single day, preparing for that, having incredible mentors like Bhumi, who literally just talked me through, yeah. But I mean, when you have, shamelessly one of the industry's best actresses, helping you, coaching you through this process, because I've never been on a set this intense and big and full of, incredibly talented people, all teams, writing, directing, producing, everybody is just like, excellent at what they do and they're pros. When you have this on your side, it's like your secret weapon.
Yeah.
I know, but I mean, I gained one of my closest friends out of this process. I gained, so that's, I think the most unexpected part was the depth we had to reach to play these roles, but also this was the surprise for me.
And you aced it, must say. Well, I'm sure friends from the media, बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि Sachin कब पूछेंगे हम सवाल, कब Sachin? We're sure that filming and being on set would have been a riot, but what has been that one core memory for you?
I think it's the whole show, man. Everything, all of these cast, every day on set was just great, awesome. It's a true rom-com and light-hearted show, but I think at the base of it, somewhere, there are a lot of themes that are being explored and discussed, and it's done in a very light way. Like, it seeps into you, like it is, but it's not the one thing that you're talking about. And all of these characters are just crazy, let me tell you. On 9th May, you'll see all of us. And the whole of experience, everything was amazing.
And you've also added your tadka, so wish you the best.
Yeah, thank you.
And my last question is for Neha. Hi, Neha.
Does this work? Yeah, it works.
लिखना एक कला भी है और जुनून भी है, but was it like much of a nail-biting roller coaster to ride this journey as it was for us to watch it through the trailer?
Wow. Yes. No. Yeah, definitely. I think what was most challenging about writing.
Mic a little closer if you can.
Sorry.
Thank you. Love the mic. Thank you.
What was most challenging and also fun about writing this show was that that intersection of comedy and drama, because comedy and drama are intrinsically interlinked via character. And when people are being funny on screen, they immediately reveal so much about character. And when you write drama, the key thing to figure out is the humanity of the character. So when you take the humanity and you take the funny, revealing aspects of comedy and put them together in a cauldron, the thing to do is to find the sur of the show, of acting, of what will everybody be doing. That sur, that tone is the key thing. And I think that's what we struggled and tried over years together, Rangita, Ishita, Tanya, for us to crack that tone and that fine line that exists between when a scene is funny and then in a split second it can also become dramatic. And when a scene is dramatic and the actors know that they're in that show, that it can in a split second become funny and how revealing that can be, but never at the cost of comedy, to lose sight of the humanity of these characters. And I think what everyone has been saying is that, yes, they're funny, and yes, there's romance, but eventually these are personal, individual journeys for all of them, from Padmaja to Digvijay to Ginny to Aviraj to Sophia to everybody. There is something going on inside all of that. And I think that's what I really, really enjoyed writing a lot. Yeah.
कितनी खूबसूरती से सारे ingredients को तड़का लगाया और पेश किया ये Royals. So thank you so much and wishing you the best for the Royals.
Absolute Royals. We are Fanyasi, we are content creators. Hi.
Hi guys, my name is Shubham.
My name is Dhruv. Thank you so much. So our question is for Bhumi. We want to know that which character's arc, apart from the one that you are playing, are you most excited for the audience to watch, and obviously why?
Oh, that's a very tough one.
Thank you.
I really enjoyed what Sakshi ma'am's character, the transition, her arc, what she goes through, because it's so refreshing to see a woman kind of hold on to her identity, what she wants, her desires, her wants, her heart, and I think for me, it's one of the most beautiful characters of the show. I'm trying to not give away a lot. It's so tough. Okay, but I also feel what happens with Aviraj's character, Ishan's, is is very, very sensitive. It's really beautiful.
Can I also answer that question?
I was just gonna ask.
I want to say I think everybody has beautiful arcs since you asked that question in the show. But the one that stands out to me the most is Zeenat Ji's. Because you know normally an arc goes like this, या तो नीचे से ऊपर चढ़ता है या ऐसे, वो ऊपर ही रहती हैं. I'm trying to avoid saying the word high. But she's truly the crown jewel of our show, and I'm so excited for everybody to see her in this.
Can't wait to watch it, guys. Thank you.
Next question, just wherever you are, you could raise your hand and then.
Hi,
yeah.
Bhumi. This side. Hi, how are you? Good to see you. Hi, Ishan. Hello, everybody. Hey, Shah, this side.
Hello.
Firstly, Royals is royaling, I have to say. And my question's actually for Ishan and Bhumi both. But Bhumi, first of all, I have to say, I'm so happy to see you play a rich royal girl on screen. It was much needed. Like, I'm just genuinely very happy. Are you equally happy to do this?
Oh, I'm so thrilled. I'm glad you added on screen.
No, I believe you're rich and royal in reality.
No, but I was very, very thrilled. I think because the show also gave me a chance to play around with my wardrobe, with
Exactly,
makeup,
yeah.
which I love so, so deeply. And but again, you know, I've never chased playing an urban girl or, you know, playing a character that's away from what I usually do. I always go for scripts. And when this show came my way, as I said earlier, I love love. I love a romance. But at the core, this show is so sensitive. It is so evolved. It is so progressive. You know, there are such beautiful characters, and all of us have such wonderful arcs. You know, everybody that watches this show is going to find representation. And that's why it did it, you know. Love, yes, it's a rom-com, but the romance that Sophia and Aviraj have is so classic that it's going to give you butterflies in your stomach and it's going to make your head turn round. But then it's also going to make you, you know, tear up a little. So it's
we're waiting for
beautiful.
that. Lovely. Ishan, I'm actually going to ask you that. First of all, what a fresh pairing. Like, whoever did the casting, kudos. It's so amazing to see Ishan and Bhumi together. I love the chemistry. Okay, tell me, how easy was it for you guys to sort of crack it with one another? Like, did you guys know each other from before, or did you guys meet
No,
on
we
set?
didn't.
And like, how did it happen? Because the chemistry looks sizzling.
Thank you for saying that. I did not know Bhumi before, only socially we had met, and of course admired her as an actress so much, and having been privy to her work, I think it was very interesting the second one finds out that you would see her in a role like this, like you correctly mentioned, because I would actually go as far as to say maybe it's closer to her actual personality than
that's true.
most parts you see her play. So as far as the chemistry, I think we had a significant amount of time together. Actually, I think we started prepping together first, and we did many readings, we did many exercises, and kind of just hung out. And I think we found our chemistry as Ishan and Bhumi, and then that kind of trickled its way into the show, even though it was no mean feat, because this is, like she said, a very classic romance, and they're heightened feelings, you know, they're heightened situations, extraordinary situations.
A very different kind of situationship, then I must say.
Yeah, for sure. So I think each of us were having a lot of fun within our respective characters, and then we just tried to, you know, play off of that chemistry and find the space in between. That's it.
Can I just...
I hope that answers your question.
Yeah,
not
of
too
course,
cryptic.
of course, for sure.
I also want to just say something, is that I feel usually when you see a sizzling chemistry, just to act... क्या हो गया? अब मैं अपना जवाब भूल चुकी हूँ. Okay, we can continue. Yeah, sorry. So when you just see, when you appreciate, मैं आपके तरफ कैसे देखे अब जवाब दूँ? जब आप दो एक्टर्स की केमिस्ट्री को अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, आई थिंक मोस्ट टाइम्स इट्स जस्ट लाइक टू एक्टर्स. Don't laugh.
It's like Bhumi's back talking.
Question, next question.
Yeah, I got the answer. I'm just going to leave it at that. But
What I was trying to say is that really, really deeply appreciate Ishan as an actor. And I think most times my job was so easy because we would just be there and there was, we never even really discussed it. It just happened. We just flow through our scenes, which is rare. and I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Aisha, for your question.
You're welcome.
Hi.
Here, on to my left.
Yes. Bhumi, my question is for you. Hi, this is Kunal here. I'm from IWM Bus. Straight.
Hi, Kunal.
Hi. So, it's pretty much picking on, what Ishan also mentioned, that this is the closest for you. The character is closest to you as a real person. And everybody knows that, you come with a sense of fierce, attitude and having an opinion as a person, as an actor. And that also, transcends to this character as well. But कितना difficult हो जाता है और कितना easy हो जाता है, because you also have your set of notions which cannot go beyond the script and at the same time somehow balance that act.
Honestly, while filming for Royals, I realized that I'm so sorry that I don't really have. कई बार होता है ना, जैसे मैंने जिस तरह के किरदार किए, I'm gonna keep switching between English and Hindi. मेरे पास ना बहुत सारे क्रच होते थे, right? I would have some kind of a dialect. मेरे पास costume होता था. I'm so away from Bhumi. I never had to deal with my inhibitions, what I'm uncomfortable about, maybe with myself, through my characters. And there was a lot of comfort when I did that. When I was playing Sophia, she's so close to me. Her ideology, her faith, the things that she believes in, her passion, her want, she has fire. And I think I have a lot of fire within me. She stands for what's right. And I think over there, I constantly had to just be at ease with who I am and be comfortable with the fact that there would be aspects of Bhumi that would be in Sophia, and that is okay. I had to make peace with the fact that the audience might see a very real part of me. And I tried battling ki nahi, kuch aur karenge, but I was like, it's okay. And I think that takes a lot of confidence and a lot of prepping yourself that it's okay. It was actually therapeutic to me.
Thank you for your question.
Hi guys, this is Nawaz Kochra from Indian
On the other
Express. Indian Express screen. Yeah, so Bhumi and Ishan, I have questions for you all. Ishan, you mentioned that you are writing for passion these days.
Riding horses.
Okay.
Let me specify.
Yeah.
Writing,
Which is why I cross-checked. Also, Bhumi, I wanted to know from you that, you mentioned that romance is... so this question is for both of you all, actually. That, you mentioned romance is rare, and even Tanya mentioned that we get to see a very few romances these days. As artists, who've played some very interesting roles and, have quite an interesting filmography, today at this day and age, why do you all think, we as an industry have reduced the number of romantic films that we make?
No.
Yeah, but you're writing for passion now, so you must go first. That's what.
I'll write to you.
I, in the 90s, if you look at some of our superstars, they all have made their careers in the back of romance. And I feel today that genre is just not taken seriously. It's truly tough convincing people that you are in love with a stranger. And it's tough business. I don't know why do people not write enough, but I feel like there are always seasons. एक season चल रहा था, मुझे लगता है प्यार का season अब वापस आ गया है. बहुत, yeah. And you can clap louder. Because I feel like in the midst of all the testosterone and all the, आप समझ गए, I think it'll be nice. It'll be a breath of fresh air for Royals to be here, and मजा आएगा. And I really hope Royals के साथ कहीं ना कहीं हवा बदले and और romance लिखा जाए. मैं बहुत सारा romance कर रही हूँ पिक्चरों में, लेकिन
ईशान, आप क्या कहना है?
सर मुझे लगता है कि जैसे कहते हैं कि फेजेस होते हैं, साइक्लिक होती हैं चीज़ें. हमने इतने सारे रोमांस देखे हुए हैं और इतनी सारी लव स्टोरीज बन चुकी हैं कि शायद कुछ नया था नहीं कहने को, या फिर शायद क्रिएटर्स को ऐसे लगने लगा, या ऑडियंसेस बोर हो गए. तो मुझे लगता है कि एक गैप रहा है, सिग्निफिकेंट गैप रहा है, इतना कि लोग मिस कर पाएं. लेकिन अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं और लव स्टोरीज तो प्लीज गिव अस द encouragement एंड टॉक अबाउट इट एंड पुश इट आउट देयर. आई थिंक इस शो में जरूर मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि एक नयापन तो है. आई थिंक देयर इज सो मच मोर दैट मेक्स द रोमांस एक्साइटिंग देन जस्ट the chemistry in between. It's also the characters in the story, and it's a very very fresh take on a royal and a commoner. And most people actually thought that this was maybe a period piece when there were early talks about royals, etc., etc. But I think that there is going to be a lot of freshness and newness to this. So maybe that's the reason. But मैं तो ज़रूर देखना चाहूँगा. I've been saying for a long time that I want to be a part of love stories. I only got to do one tragic love story in the beginning of my career, and then it's been 7 years since. So I had a lot of fun. मैंने तो दिल भर के बहुत मज़ा लिया, and I think that this is testament to the fact that people want to see more. Yeah.
Congratulations to all of you all. It's looking quite lovely.
Loving you both, and I have been a witness, both of you. I have never seen anyone sound so excited for any project as I have seen you both for this one. So very happy that it's finally coming out. I will start my question with I have two questions. First one goes to the Royal Highness, Ishan. So in a very colloquial term, I'll say you are in your snackable era right now. First, it started with the perfect couple, and now this one. You have got a lot of appreciation for your acting, but somewhere it is flattering to be kind of being seen so thirstily by everyone that you are kind of being right now.
Sorry, I missed the
How
last
amazing does it feel to be seen so thirstily? Because you have got your due and your appreciation for your acting, but somewhere now the looks part is also kind of being I know objectification, we see it in a negative sense, but
नहीं, अब तो कह दिया यार, अब तो कह
objectification right now that is happening with you, it's in the most positive way, but it's so amazing. How much you are enjoying that?
Well,
आप कितने सेक्सी हैं पॉजिटिवली. आप शर्ट उतारते क्यों नहीं पॉजिटिवली?
Look, it's flattering, and if it means more work, then I'm happy with it. कितने बटन खोलने हैं बता दो. But look, I think I've had a lot of fun with this specifically because this was not the kind of presentation that I've ever been afforded before, and there is truth to the fact that presentation से एक aura बनता है. और ये उस तरह का एक रोल है जो मुझे निभाने का मौका अब तक नहीं मिला है. इनफैक्ट बड़े पर्दे पर भी नहीं मिला है. सो आई थिंक I was really glad to jump into something like this that gave me, like the actor in me, the hungry, greedy actor, also something to chew on. But it had all of that grandiose and all of that beauty and all of that flair. And that's also a muscle as a performer that if you don't exercise it, you might lose it. So hopefully I was able to take my first baby steps and you'll enjoy it.
Yeah, it's on OTT, so people like it more because they can rewind again and again and watch it again and again. So like that's there. But talking of snack, I have to ask the forever snack, Dino sir. So firstly, I have to say like your charm has not withered even a bit since we have first seen you from the ramp days to now. To get to be this playful man, because I have spoken to you before and I know this is the playful side that you are actually kind of imbibe in real life, to kind of present that on screen. How amazing is that, and how much do you think are people gonna love you after this show? Because I'm sure after the trailer, I am already doing that.
You're my favorite.
You're so
my
kind.
favorite interview.
I like the first bit, the forever snack. That's very cool. I'm impressed. What's your name again?
Akash.
All right.
Thank you so much for asking.
We should go for coffee. No thoughts, please. All right. So I was kind of playing myself. This is me in real life. I love fun. I want to have fun. I think Rongita thinks I'm charming, and that's why she cast me. Don't you think so, Rongita? Oh, Tanya. Okay. The boss of Netflix. Chunky definitely knows I'm charming. But yeah, so it was just me playing me and having a lot of fun with this character. And Salahuddin is just wacky guy, and I'm on a normal day pretty wacky and I'm mischievous and And I'm spicy. Yes. So yeah, it was. I'm a spicy snacks, which is good. I had fun. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And again, Bhumi, thank you so much. Love you, love you, love you a lot.
After that, spicy questions.
The makers, I'm in complete awe of Zeenat ji. She's not here. I want to ask the writer if you wrote this keeping Zeenat ji in mind, and also what was it like to direct her? Any scene that you can tell us, what is she like on the sets?
Actually, no, didn't write it with Zeenat ji in mind, but it was written for unknowingly someone like her with that kind of presence. The casting is entirely Rangita, so I'll just pass this on to her.
No, I think we wrote it, and then once Zeenat came on, and I'm fortunate that I can call her Zeenat because she insists on that and not ma'am, but Zeenat ma'am came on. We tweaked a lot of it to bring her into the role because that was absolutely essential. You cannot have Zeenat on stage and on screen without her being Zeenat. So a lot of the nuances, a lot of the carriage, a lot of Majisa is Zeenat itself.
I just want to add to that. Actually, as we were writing, Zeenat ma'am came out, on social media with this fab avatar of hers, which caught us all totally off guard. And we were like, oh my God, that's Majisa. Should we talk to her? And we spoke to her and it just happened. And that's really how the casting started falling into place, one character at a time. It was literally like, should we try this? And then it just happened. So it was literally like that.
Little known fact, she came in for the meeting, okay? And this shows just her grace and what she is, right? She came in for the meeting with her son and she said, where do you want me to stand? So we said, ma'am, please sit. I've known Zeenat since I was 9. And she said, no, but I thought I was here to audition for Majisa. And we said, no, if you will have Majisa, we would be grateful. So that is Zeenat.
Right. And the directors, please.
Behaves like this is her first project. She came for all the readings. She came for her dance rehearsals. She would be so patient on set when I'm like freaking out. Oh my God, I'm making Zeenat Aman wait for 2 hours. She's like, no, baby, this is your job. Our job is to wait and make it happen for you. I mean, I never thought that someone as legendary as Zeenat Aman could be so gracious and so wonderful. And when you see her on screen, you see how amazing she is.
She's actually someone who, I just mentioned I had a lot of fun with everybody. And most of them I treated like my buddies. But with Zeenat ma'am, I had this awe. And I didn't know how to direct her. But she would just walk in and she would embody Majisa so well. There were times when I didn't have to stick to the lines of the script. She did improvise and say it like Majisa would speak. So it was all her, actually. It just made our lives so much easier.
Thank you. Time for one last question.
Hi, this is Priyanka from Midday.
Right across
and I have 2 questions, one for Bhumi and one for Sakshi. It reminded me in a very weird way of Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki because it was Parvati Ma and here we have Rani Ma, and it's such a stunning departure and says so much about you as an actor. Tell me, how is it to prep for this, get into this, that walk, and also your camaraderie with Zeenat Aman. It's so funny, it's so endearing.
Thank you so much. It wasn't easy at all because I, for the longest, have played characters that have been on the other side of the table. So I have always been an Aam Kumari. And this was for the first time that I got to see this live. I've not even seen this live in real. Forget about experiencing it. So I come from a very basic background. I have played characters that were close to my background, and it never sort of, took me any preparation to be able to portray them. So for the first time when I got a call and I was told that this is the character. I thought, no, this can't be true because no, I've never played this and it just doesn't seem real. And I was a Rani only for my mom because, yeah, from being her Bitya Rani to her Rani Beti, that was the closest I had come to being a Rani. But yeah, thanks. Thank you so much, Rongita. Thank you, Netflix. And thank you, the writer, the directors, to make me feel like one. And so when I was doing my first scene, I was very conscious because I didn't know how the royals think. Because for an actor, it's very important that what you're going to say, what you're going to do is at the back of your mind. And I had no clue, I had no reference point, nothing. And I started faking it. And that night I was very uncomfortable because I was like, no, I'm not getting it right and this is not the character. And I had to stop thinking like who I am and I had to start thinking like who I should be. And that's what I did. So from the time I did my makeup, which was, of course, again, a very different thing. Rongita would insist that I put a red lipstick. And I would be like, no, please let me go with, the neutral shades. And from there to the jewelry, to the costumes, I think the costume department did a fabulous job with it to make me look like one. And I think the jewelry also did its trick, its magic, because when you wore those sets, the jewelry, the earrings and the diamonds and all, somehow I think it sent a message to my brain that, oh, you're the queen. And I just carried that message with me when I went to the set. And yeah, pretty much that. So...
And, how about shooting with Zeenat Aman?
Oh, I feel so fortunate. I feel so lucky that most of my scenes are with her. And she's an icon. She's a diva. She doesn't have to do anything. She is. Yeah. And I got to learn so much from her. I would just watch her, the way she would sit, the way she would talk. In fact, I learned so much from everyone over here, Ishan, Kavya, Vihan. No, really, because the way they carry themselves on the set, they're all the time they're joking, and just when they would say action, they would just get into the skin of the character, which took me the longest. For a lot of scenes, I would just sit quietly and they would think that, maybe I am a quiet person, but I would be internally working like, no, you're the queen, think like a queen, think like a queen. And I would not let them distract me. So I would just keep to myself. And Chunky sir, and it was beautiful. I think everything was so nice, and I'm glad that we're doing this today, and all those days of preparation, because for me every scene was a preparation, helped me do the walk today. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Sakshi.
We love you, Paddy.
I also have a question for Bhumi. Bhumi, we were talking about romances, but it seems like romances are reigning in your filmography, because I know that you're also doing a film with Imran, which is a romantic dramedy. How excited are you to do that, which also marks Imran Khan's comeback? Say it, it's a Netflix film, I know.
I never speak of anything till something is officially announced. But coming back to Royals, I genuinely want to thank everybody that came here today. Thank you so much. And again, they are doing Bhumi. But I also feel like today would be incomplete without thanking everybody that worked on the show. All teams, every department, wardrobe, makeup, our beautiful DOP Neha, I think she did such a phenomenal job. It felt so good जब आप एक set पे होते हो और आप खुद को देखते हो, मैंने कहा wow, I'm looking so good. It's never happened to me. But all teams, production, direction, all ADs, all of our personal teams, thank you so much. And again, thank you everyone for coming here today.
Thank you, Bhumi.
We should clap for Sachin as well.
I love you. Thank you.
Thank you. And we are really grateful always to Netflix for being so thoughtful and giving us such a royal treatment this time. And every time we are here in Netflix. So thank you, Netflix. Although I want to ask each one of you, one question goes to all of you, but since time नहीं है अभी बहुत ज़्यादा, तो मैं तान्या से पूछ लेती हूँ एक सवाल. तान्या, हमने बहुत सारा अच्छा कंटेंट देखा है, बिकॉज नेटफ्लिक्स की अगर मैं बात करूँ, वो खुद ही इतना रॉयल है कि किसी भी तरह के रॉयल ट्रीटमेंट को देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जब भी हम नेटफ्लिक्स प्लेटफॉर्म की बात करते हैं, कंटेंट ही इतना अच्छा रहता है. बट देन हाउ अबाउट इट फॉर अ रोम कॉम टू कैच एन आई फ्रॉम नेटफ्लिक्स? आई मस्ट आस्क यू.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द जेनरस प्रेज. ये आपके देखने का नज़रिया है. दिल से तो हम आम कुमारियाँ ही हैं. आई अश्योर यू. No, but really glad you enjoy the content on Netflix, and that's our endeavor to bring something new every month, every week, every night. I think there's not enough love in the air. I mean, very simply put, romance is a flavor. I think हमारी films, हमारी series very easily fold into larger story lines. अगर thrillers होते हैं तो उसमें romance होता है, अगर epics होते हैं तो उसमें romance होता है. तो romance is a part of Indian, art, Indian films, Indian series. But I think if you look at the trend that's been going around, and we've all enjoyed it in different languages too, Bridgerton, Nobody Wants This, Emily in Paris, these are all really breakout hits across the world. So why not have our own Indian version of that? Thank you. And have it in a way that is eminently Indian, like truly uniquely Indian, jahan you bring in the whole culture and the flavor of India through its royalty, and also bring in, our entrepreneurs who are really paving the path world over. Imagine the clash of these two potent worlds, one uniquely grounded within India and one that's traversing the world. So what is that clash like? And then at the same time, like everyone's really said, these characters speak to us very deeply. They are powerful, they're strong, they're romantic, but they're also really messy and they're very tender. And so they take you on a beautiful journey with them. And what else do you want at the end of an exhausting day? A beautiful journey that you can actually go on, and this romance takes you there. So we hope you love it. And thank you everyone for coming. Really, really glad you guys liked the trailer. Please do watch it on the 9th of May.
Thank you, Tanya. Thank you, Namita, for your question. And that's all the time we have on the 9th of May. And also, Majisa, Zinata Manji is not here. So let's cheer for her. Let's give a huge round of applause for Majisa and show her how much we love her. And also,
and also Nora.
Also Nora.
And Milind sir.
And Milind sir. And each and every character in front of the scene, behind the scene, each and every character for putting up. It takes a village to create something like this, right? So for the Royals, for the entire team, let's have a huge round of applause. And now, without thirstily looking at Ishan, I would say कि मैं दरख्वास्त करूँगा, आमे खास हैं, द रॉयल्स हमारे साथ है, तो ये रॉयल हम्मा जो है वो कैप्चर करना तो बनता है. सो मेरी दरख्वास्त है कि आप सब मंच पर आ जाए to capture this beautiful moment and etch our memories. Please.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I
तो
got
कहते हैं ना कि सब्र का फल मीठा होता है.
you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up.
There we are from friends from the media. You want to step ahead? अगर आपको आगे आना है ये लम्हा कैप्चर करने के लिए तो प्लीज.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patent.
और फिर से एक बार सभी को तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा to add that sparkle आज की शाम में. Thank you so much for joining us here this evening and तैयार हो जाइए सीजन के सबसे ग्लैमरस स्पेक्टिकल के लिए क्योंकि रॉयल्टी अपने थ्रोन से उतरेंगे अपने बेस्ट लुक में और आएंगे स्क्रीन पर 9th of May. तब तक stay chic, stay cool and keep spilling the tea as they say. This is Sachin Kumar signing off. Do watch The Royals on Netflix.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone
ऑल्सो मेरी दरख्वास्त है कि हमारे सारे दोस्त वहीं पे बैठे रहे, क्योंकि अब होने वाली है शाही दावत। तो आप जहां कहीं हैं प्लीज बैठे रहिएगा, बिकॉज पेट पूजा तो बनती है रॉयल्स के बीच, तो शाही दावत तो बनती है।
Make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible.
ये जो शाही दरबार है, यहाँ पर आप घुल मिल सकते हैं, लोगों से मिल सकते हैं। खाना आपके हाथ में पेश किया जाएगा, आप जहां कहीं भी हैं। फिर से एक बार, wherever you are, you want to mingle with people, move around in this royal setup that we have in our darbar. The food will be served to you wherever you are. Thank you.
बोलना भूमि को। Thank you. Thank you. दोनों साथ में आता भूमि है। Thank you. वो रुक गया ना भाई, मैं तो जा रहा था। नहीं है? नहीं है?